Hello everyone, this video is talking about how to use magnetic nail polish, which is a new trend in nail design that uses iron fillings in the polish that respond to a magnet to form different shapes and effects on the surface of the nail. Before starting to use magnetic nail polish, of course, you should prepare a pair of beautiful hands and wash them clean. Okay, let's start now. First, you need to apply a base coat, which is not necessary and will not affect the outcome of magnetic nail polish, but it may help to strengthen your nails, protect them from staining, and also will make the magnetic nail polish maintain longer. After brush a layer of white nail polish base coat, you can also apply a layer of pink polish coat to color your magnetic nail polish better in the next step. And then you can choose one beautiful polish color that you would like to try and begin the second step. Use the magnetic nail polish to apply it to your nails and repeat this step 2 or 3 times. Pay attention, you should let the last coat dry before applying further magnetic polish. And the final step is hold the magnet over the nail that you just painted for 10 to 15 seconds without touching it to the surface of the nail. And then you will find a very interesting phenomenon just like this video shows. The nail color is changing, right? Alright, this is how magnetic nail polish works.